What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I want to show you a helpful little trick to check the battery status or the life left in a laptop battery if you are looking to purchase a used machine, or you want to sell a used laptop and actually want to represent the remaining battery life accurately on a system. So this is actually really simple to do if you're running, I believe it's Windows 8 or higher. So all you have to do is run one simple command that generates an HTML file that you can then view in a web browser. So let's go ahead and do that. So we're going to press the Windows key, hit R, bring up the run command. There's other ways of doing this, however you prefer. Type in CMD, which brings up command prompt. And then we're going to type power cfg / battery report. Then you hit enter, and it is going to save a file under C users, whatever your username is, and then battery-report.html. If there's already one there, it's going to overwrite it. So if you don't want it to overwrite the existing report that you may have run previously, you'll want to rename that prior to running this. Otherwise, it's just going to overwrite it. So let's go ahead and navigate over to that, and we'll take a look at what it generated. So this PC, C, users, user, battery report. So this is going to give us all the details for the particular battery that's attached to our system, including the serial number, manufacturer, the design capacity, and the full charge capacity. Now these are the most important aspects of the battery. So design capacity is what it was designed to be from the factory. So you can see this battery was supposed to be 47,520 milliamps, or milliwatt hours, and it is currently 40,030. So that gives you kind of an idea of how much life is left in there. The full charge capacity, that's how much the last charge cycle was able to put into the battery. And we have a more detailed report of each of the charge cycles and usage cycles and things down below. That's not really anything too useful, but it does give you a lot of information here. But really the biggest thing you're going to want to look at is that full charge capacity versus the design capacity. Just divide your full charge capacity by the design capacity to get a percentage of the life left in the battery. So pretty simple, basic little thing you can do, but it's very, very handy if you are looking at purchasing a machine from someone who has a used laptop, or if you're wanting to list a machine like on eBay or Craigslist and you would like to advertise that the battery is still in good condition, you can tell exactly how good of condition the battery is. Anyway, guys, I hope you found that useful, and if you want to see more stuff like this or other computer-related videos, please do subscribe. Always appreciate it. Give it a thumbs up if you thought this was useful. And thanks for watching. Y'all have a good one now. Bye-bye.